Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on contract reviews with Rocket Lawyer, full guide step by step clearly. To save on contract reviews with Rocket Lawyer, first, visit the Rocket Lawyer website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information to set up your profile. Once logged in, navigate to the contract review section. Choose the type of contract you need reviewed from the available options. Upload your contract file for review. Rocket Lawyer offers a feature to have a lawyer review your document. Select whether you want a standard review or a more in-depth analysis. If you choose the standard review, Rocket Lawyer will provide you with automated insights. For in-depth reviews, a licensed attorney will examine your contract and provide feedback. Review all the suggestions and comments provided after the review is complete. Make necessary edits to your contract based on the legal insights received. Download the reviewed contract directly from your account. If needed, you can consult with a lawyer for any additional questions. By using Rocket Lawyer, you can significantly reduce legal fees associated with contract reviews. Ensure to take advantage of their subscription plans for further savings. Consider using the free trial option if you are uncertain about committing long-term. Remember to keep your documents organized within your Rocket Lawyer account for easy access. This process will streamline your contract reviews and protect your interests effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.